Hi guys, in this video tutorial I'm going to discuss with you how to handle mouse movement using Selenium WebDriver, right? So in order to discuss this concept, just open your web browser. In this case I open my Firefox web browser and just go to www.daraz.lk. Right, so once you go to this website, you can see these electronic devices, electronic accessories, right, TV and home appliances. These menus will be displayed, and once you move over to these electronic devices, right, you can see these mobiles, tablets, laptops. Those options will be displayed, right? And like that, if you move on to mobiles, you can see the Samsung mobiles, Apple iPhone, Huawei phones. So those options will be displayed, right? So during our web UI automation, right, if you want to click on the Samsung mobiles, Apple iPhone, right, so before that we need to move over to these menus, right, electronic devices. So then after that you need to move on to mobiles, then only these options will be displayed and you can click on these options, right? So this is what mouse movement, right? So let's see how to handle this mouse movement using Selenium, right? So open your Eclipse IDE, right? I have already opened my Eclipse IDE. So let's create a Maven project first. Go to File, New, and select this project option and select this Maven project and just click on Next button. And here also you can click Next. Keep this option as it is and just click Next, right? So here you can give this name, Learn Mouse Movement, right? Just copy this and paste it here and click on this Finish button. Right, now you can see that created file is displayed here, right? You can see by default two packages have been added to this folder. Just right click and delete these default packages, and you can add your own package, right? So here I'm going to add one package. Just right click, go to new and click on this package and just give like com.qa.learn mouse movement, right? And just click on this Finish button. After that you need to create a Java class, right? Right click, go to new, select this class option and just give like learn mouse movement, right? Just click on this Finish button. Now inside this class, right, you need to give add a main method. Just click main and click hit control space. You will get this main method option. Just enter, right? So before start coding, right, you need to add the Selenium, you need to install Selenium, right? So for that, open this pom.xml, right? You need to download Selenium dependencies, right? Let me copy that. Just copy this, right, and paste it here, right? You can remove this JUnit stuff, right? Right. Like this, you can add your Selenium dependency and just click Ctrl S, so that relevant files will be automatically installed, right? So after that you can move to your Java file, Java class, and you can start your coding, right? So we need to add a so I'm planning to work with the Chrome web browser, right? So let me add one set of one code, right? This is the code. Let me copy this and add this. So using this, this is the web driver I have stored in one of the place. So you need to mention your webdriver.exe folder, right? And add this sample code, webdriver driver equal new Chrome drive, right? So using this set of code, you can you can load Chrome browser, right? So after that, guys, normally once open the web browser, you need to maximize the web browser, right? So for that, add driver dot manage dot window dot maximize, right? Using this set of code, you can maximize your web browser, right? So let's run and see. Right, you can see the Chrome browser is launching, right? Right, maximized. Right, Chrome browser opened and maximized, right? So we need to pass the URL, right? So driver dot get, right? Inside that you can pass this Dara's website URL, right? Just copy this and paste it here. Right, just run and see. Right, Chrome browser. Right. So guys, so the next step is we need to capture web elements, right? Go to Firefox web browser, right? We need to move over to this electronic devices, then mobiles, then we need to click this Samsung mobiles, right? So that is the scenario here I'm going to discuss. So let me right click this browser, go to inspect element, right? Just click on this option and click on this electronic devices. So once you click, you can see this is the relevant information, right? Just capture this element using XPath // span, right? I'm going to capture this using contains text, right? Just copy this electronic devices, paste it here and click the enter key to make sure whether you capture that element in a proper way or not, right? Now you can see that web element got captured and you can see one of one, right? So go to your Eclipse IDE, store this web element store this web element, right? So for that we need to use web element command, web element link name electronic devices, driver dot find element by dot xpath, right? So inside this double quotes, just paste this, right? So likewise we need to capture the other element as well, right? So just copy this same set of code, right? That is, just click on this element, click on this mobiles, right? You can see this mobiles text, just copy that. You just need to replace this electronic devices with this mobiles. Let me change the name here as well, link mobiles, right? So now we captured those two elements, right? Now we need to use actions class provided by Selenium, right? So just type actions AC, just hit control space, you will get this actions option, right? This will be provided by Selenium. Just hit enter, actions, action, right? New actions, and inside that you need to pass the driver reference, right? And using this actions variable, right? This you need to use this action word and right variable and whole action dot uh, move to element, right? Right, move to element. Inside this element, you can pass the link underscore electronic devices, right? And you need to call this build method and dot perform method, right? Just right click and run and see what will happen, right? There's a right. I think there's a failure, right? Let me check. Let me cap. Let me move to other element as well, right? We'll move to other element as well. Action dot link mobiles dot build dot perform, right? Let's run this. I just want you to show you some errors in this case, right? So you can see open the web browser, right? Maximize went to daraz.lk, but mouse move moment is not working, right? So you know what? Once this web browser is open, you know it will take some time to load this element, right? So just add a sleep here, right? Static sleep, static time, right? Thread dot sleep. We can use this thread dot sleep command. Let's add around 2000 milliseconds, right? It throws declaration, right? Here as well. Now let's run this sensor. What will happen? Right now you can see mouse move to electronic devices. After that it wait for around 2 seconds and move to mobiles, and Samsung these options got displayed, right? So earlier what happened is, you know, it took some time to enable these web elements, right? So for that we need to add kind of timeouts in this. So in this case, so I added around 2 seconds. It's a static timeout, right? So after that, let's say we need to click on this Samsung mobiles, right? So for that, just click on this and click this Samsung mobiles. right? So just copy the same set of code, paste it, right? So you can see here the tag is pan, only this text is getting changed, right? So that's why I'm just copy and only copying this space without writing export for each and every these links, right? Just copy this, just replace this mobiles with Samsung mobiles. All right, so once enable these two elements, right? Once enable these mobiles, right, you can simply click on the Samsung mobiles, right? So in this case we can use click command, right? uh, Driver dot click, uh, sorry. So in this case we need to use this variable, right? We already stored this variable, so just copy this variable. Using this variable you can call that click command, right? So guys, let's run this and see whether that Samsung Mobile's link is getting clicked or not, right? Chrome browser is opened, loaded the URL, maximized, and move to electronic devices after 2 seconds waiting time, right? Mobiles, then Samsung mobiles. Now clicked, so the relevant Samsung mobiles page will be displayed, right? Right. So guys, so that's how we need to handle this mouse movement, right? So that's it, right? This is only few set of codes you need to know at right. Only the main thing is you need to use this actions class, and you need to store the variables, and after that you need to use in these variables you need to call this at the end click. So right before that you need to use this move to element and dot build dot perform methods, right? So that's it guys, please practice uh, your own, so right. So thank you guys, bye.